How's everyone doing? I'm Josh and this is newtons per second. Today I am going over an order I got from Composite Warehouse. They make all fiberglass kits, and this is a custom kit that I am making. It is a scaled down version of the 6-inch sky digger that I made my level 2 cert years ago in 2001 with the Untitled Rocket Club. This is like going to be a complete custom. I have to cut the fins. There is a 7:1 ratio nose cone I'm pretty excited about. That matches pretty close to the Scotch glass nose cone I had years ago. So this is going to be amazing. I'm excited. So let's see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. Got some epoxy. Oh yeah, plenty of epoxy. Very nice. Here's the center rings. Yeah, this looks cool. Wow, I'll tell you, he does such a good job there at Composite Warehouse with this stuff. These are the electronic bay lids. So this project is going to be, I believe what they call like the head end deployment, HED. Yeah, so the parachute for dual deployment will be in the nose cone. So yeah, this nose cone is going to be pretty massive. It should be about 3 feet. Let's see what we got here. This should be the motor tube. These guys do a hell of a job after this. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. And I do have this long. This is 2 feet, so you're going to see in the picture of this, I'll link up a rendered picture. So the bottom of the fins are going to be going down here, and then the middle fins, there's 3 sets of fins, and the middle fins are also going to be through the wall, connecting right around here. And then the top fins are smaller. But since the middle 2 fins are bigger, I wanted them to have contact points with the motor mount tube. Oh, that's way down there. That's beyond my reach. I'm gonna open up the other end. I mean, look how long this box is. It's like I'm 6 foot. I'm 6'6", and this thing is almost as long as I am. Alright, I'm going to guess this is probably going to be the nose cone right here. Woo! Nope, body tube. Ooh. Man, I feel like a kid, you know. I don't know. Oh, yes.
Look at that. Look at that. This is the main body tube, and he did have time to cut the fin slots, which is amazing. So the rear fins are here, and here is the midpoint. And you can see the motor mount tube. I'll use this camera angle. So you can see the mid fins will be able to have contact point with the motor mount tube and make this super, super strong. And there's 4 center rings. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is going to be plenty heavy. And I do have a coupler in here. I'll have to work that way out. I'll have to work that out. But you can see there, red coupler. So that is amazing. So in here, oh, here we go. The nose cone. This is the centerpiece of the whole thing. Ooh. Wow. That is awesome. Look at that. That is a nose cone. Look at that.
Oh yeah, this thing is going to be, look at that. So if you notice with their colors, I'm not painting this, so on purpose I have made it, the body is going to be black, nose cone's red, and the 3 sets of fins that I'm going to cut out are also going to be red, same color. And I kind of like that color scheme going on here.
And in the rendering now, I'll just show a picture of it now. And this is done on RockSim. Again, scaled down from a 6-inch kit down to a 4-inch kit. And you can see here what it kind of looks like with the black body tube and then the nose cone and fins all in red. I think it looks really sharp. Something different than the other concepts. I've built the 6-inch Skydigger kit, and then I built a
mini Skydigger, a 3-inch model years ago, and it was the same color scheme, yellow, basically nose cone, and the body's purple. I think this looks really sharp this way.
Alright, so again, like I'll work that coupler out later. And just, I mean, that metal tip nose cone. I mean, look at that thing. That is awesome. I mean, I can't get over that. So the coupler that you see in there is going to be used, that's going to be the AAV bay. So electronics bay, and some of that slides into, you can see how this is straight. So that electronics bay will slide in right about here, using shear pins to hold it on, and then the rest of the bay will slide in into here, and that'll be the connection point.
All right, so what is left is the G10 Fiberglass Sheets.
look at the color on this. Wow, that is awesome. Totally impressed. Look at that. That's some thick stuff. That is thick stuff. Wow.
So that's the unboxing of this custom kit that I've put together with Composite Warehouse. Now it's just getting down to cutting and everything else, and yeah, I'm so excited. This is gonna be cool. All right, thanks for watching, and see you guys next video.